All right, I don't know what I did, but I turned it on this morning and it was making a humming noise, but the motor wouldn't start. So this is what I have. It's working now. I mean, I fixed it. What I did was I took this off. Pretty easy, took it off. Okay, bolt in the middle, took it off. Make sure you shut off the power. I took this off, took this off, took this off. There's one more down there. Initially, this wouldn't come off. So what I did was I took a screwdriver like this, and then I banged on it with a hammer. Just, a little bit over here, a little bit over here, a little bit over here. This comes off. All right, I apologize I didn't film it earlier, but once you take it off, you're gonna see a couple of things. And I think the switch, the centrifugal switch, might be that white thing over here. You see, I have a picture for it, and I just clean it up, use my air blower here, clean it up, brush it off, and wow.